A couple of weeks ago, I unboxed a FrontPoint home security system. Since then, I've set it up at home and put it to the ultimate home security test: going out of town. During my time out, I gave a key code to my friend who would stop in and check on my cat while I was away. So in this FrontPoint review, I'll tell you about watching my system from afar, along with some pros and cons about this DIY home security system. And if this video is helpful, drop a comment, hit the like button, or subscribe to catch more from us every week. Let's get into it. Overall, setting up and testing FrontPoint was a mostly smooth process. Installation took around half an hour, and that includes filming every step. Once my FrontPoint system was up and running, I could check on video feeds from both cameras and arm and disarm the system from anywhere with internet access. However, most of my complaints and issues revolve around the app. But before I get into that, here's what I really like about FrontPoint. FrontPoint has a ton of equipment to choose from. You can create your own system from the ground up with gear that goes beyond the standard home security staples. There's a garage door sensor, flood sensor, and smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. The brand also offers home automation gear like outlets, light bulbs, thermostats, and locks to make your home security system just a little bit smarter. Setting up FrontPoint was really easy too. It all starts with a code on your kit and the app. Once you enter in that code into the FrontPoint app, it will pair everything in the box with your account. Then, the app will walk you through the setup and testing for each of the sensors. And finally, there's the daily highlights in the FrontPoint app. I have mixed feelings about the app overall, but I loved this feature. It's a snapshot of the day through your home security system's eyes. You'll see clips from your cameras, sensor status changes, and any system arming and disarming. It was really handy during my tests when I wanted to know if my friend had stopped by or not. But for all of these cool features and devices, FrontPoint isn't cheap. To be fair, they are transparent about their prices. You'll get an itemized list of everything before checkout, and they'll tell you how much it is up front. But at around $50 a month, it's still pretty pricey. During my time away, I was eager to see how FrontPoint handled notifications. Would it blow up my phone? Well, it was the opposite actually. Despite having regular visitors on my front porch, my armed system didn't have anything to say. I never got any notifications when my pet sitter disarmed the system, or even when they set off the alarm. I later thought that this could have been because my system was in test mode, or maybe that I didn't check the box in the notification settings, but that didn't seem to be the case. Finally, I wasn't impressed with FrontPoint's cameras. With price tags ranging between $75 and $150, I expected more from the indoor and outdoor cameras I installed. They both worked fine, but for the quality I got, I could have spent a lot less money. For example, the WiseCam V3, Reolink Argus 3 Pro, and all of Blink's cameras are cheaper than FrontPoint, and they do the same thing. Now let's dive into the FrontPoint app. It's your personal control center for your entire home security system. This is where you'll adjust settings, arm and disarm sensors, and check on the camera feed. Overall, the FrontPoint app is well organized and easy to navigate. The features that it does right, it nails. Like I mentioned before, I loved the highlight feature on the home screen that runs through what happened through that day. Switching between cameras, checking videos, and arming your system are all super easy. But there are a few things that FrontPoint misses in favor of features that I don't think make sense. For example, you can't adjust the picture quality on the cameras or sensitivity on motion sensors, but the homepage has plenty of room for a weather forecast. And like I mentioned before, the notification settings weren't very cooperative despite triple checking that I had everything in line. No matter how many times I armed and disarmed the system or tried to trip the alarm and cameras, I never got a push notification or text message. Normally, I'm all for a quiet app, But when it's your security system not telling you that a door has been opened or your system's been disarmed, that's a problem. If you've encountered anything like this with FrontPoint, let me know in the comments and we'll post a troubleshooting video to try and solve the case. FrontPoint is pricey, but it offers lots of options if you have specific security needs. Plus, it's easy to install and expand as those needs change. And while the cameras and app have room for improvement, the whole system is really easy to control and keep an eye on. Overall, I'd say FrontPoint is a good fit for anyone who wants a DIY system that doesn't feel DIY. If you can afford it, FrontPoint is a solid option for home security in a growing and changing household. If that $50 price tag turns you off, don't leave just yet. Check the video description below to find a link to find our full FrontPoint review. There, you can find an exclusive offer for cheaper monthly monitoring through Safewise. And if this video was helpful, subscribe to us here on YouTube. We come out with new videos like this one every week. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.